Perfect.
All right, I think we've got everything we need. Spiderweb to lure in the thief?
Check.
Tracking device so we can follow the web once it's stolen?
Check. Cluebot set to record?
Check. And check. This way we'll catch it all on camera. Now all we have to do is wait. Even if it takes hours or days or... Huh?
That was fast.
Quick, Sam! The Cluebot footage!
But it's all a blur.
Not if we slow it down. It looks like the thief is actually... a hummingbird?
A ruby-throated hummingbird by the looks of it. The buzz was the sound of its wings flapping.
But what would the hummingbird want with his spider's web?
Good question. According to the tracking device, seems like she's in a hurry.
Well then, we must catch her! Hooray!
Wait!
I think it's time for... Clay claws! Here, take this. Come on!
Yeah! Ha-ha! There she goes!
Close one.
I've never seen anything fly like that.
She's too fast. If only she'd stay still for just a minute.
Wait, she will stay still in a minute.
How can you be so sure?
To get enough energy to fly so fast, hummingbirds need to drink nectar from flowers. Lots of it. And according to my calculations, she'll have to stop for food in exactly 1 minute.
There's some flowers in the trees nearby. I reckon that's where she'll stop to eat.
We'll meet her there. Let's go!
She'll never be able to resist these.
Here she comes.
Quick, hide.
Stop right there, hummingbird.
Give me back my web!
Oh, is this yours? I had no idea.
Nice try. But we know you've been stealing those spider webs.
Yep, you do?
Yep, but we still don't know why.
You've got some explaining to do, Birdie.
Okay, I'll admit it. I took your web, but I had a good reason. Follow me.
Huh?
I use the silky threads to build my nest. They help hold it together, like this. So, what do you think?
Well, ain't that something?
I'm speechless. I never imagined that my art could be so beautiful and so useful.
So you don't want your web back?
No, these little eggs need it much more than me. Who knows? Maybe one of them will grow up to be a little artist themselves.
That'd be great. Do you teach lessons?
I think we can work something out. Maybe I can give you my leftover silk if you promise not to steal any more of my creations.
It's a deal.
Well, I can't say I saw that coming, but I love a happy ending.
Another creature case closed.